All right, I'm excited. It's day 2 of the Graphics Canada show, and I'm with Rimpy.
Yep.
And we are standing where?
We are standing in booth 5412 and Graphics Canada, and we are showcasing the Texas LTX2 printer. That is right behind me.
Awesome. Now, you had this really cool vision for the booth like a couple weeks before the show, so
Yeah.
kind of tell me about some of the ideas that we brought to life.
Well, with the limited time that we had, my idea was to have our booth structure printed and cut and made on our automated system that we're showcasing today. So everything that you see in our booth has been printed and cut and designed within our booth.
Let's walk over there and we can talk about it. So at the last minute, Rimpy says, hey, we need a CN tower, and I'm like, really?
Well, you were like, what's that?
Yeah, which is true. But then we went to town on it. So, the software is developed in Bulgaria. We have really cool structural engineers. You sent us a couple of ideas, and one of our structural engineers actually created this tower, and I think one of the parameters was as tall as possible, right? Mm-hmm. Yep. And how do you think it came out?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Awesome.
And a lot easier to put together than we initially thought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then we popped out a table, but you wanted some sort of grand room, right? So
yeah, we needed a storage room, and we needed something to put our logos on, and a big storage room, which we were able to do.
Yep, so this came out great. Yeah, this is perfect. Came out of the software. So it's printed on the printer, and then it's cut on the cutter, and everything was developed in the software.
We were lucky enough to work with some great material providers. LM Packaging was able to provide us with some honeycomb material that we were able to build this very sturdy structure and print and cut it on the Texas LTX2 and the Kongsberg C24, which was fully automated. And we put this together the day before the show.
Yeah, and then we actually put some stuff together
the day of the show.
The day of the show, yeah. So a lot of just-in-time manufacturing. So this is where it all starts. We got over 2,500 resizable designs, displays, all this kind of stuff. And so basically you can go through, use parametrics, redesign any size that's in there very quickly, bring it into Adobe Illustrator, throw your graphics on it, and then you can throw the print to the printer and the cut to the cutter. So now I'm with Vince from Kongsberg.
Vince from Kongsberg. So I'm the Canadian sales rep for Kongsberg. I handle all of Canada, and at the show we are highlighting our C24 high-speed cutter connected to the Ronik / Texas printer via a conveyor. So the sheets come out of the back of the printer, convey over to the cutter, and the cutter cuts everything automatically, giving us precision cuts on full sheets of material. So we've been handing these out at the show, and they've been extremely popular. We're also cutting all sorts of other materials.
So one thing that's great about this machine is if you looked at the booth, not only are we straight cutting or V cutting, and all the tools are set up and easy to change back and forth. So I mean, it really makes the process just real simple.
Yes. Please come by the booth and make sure that you get a full tour from design to print to finishing. We have one solution for all of our customers.
Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be fun.